Welcome to TextPlays. Today I'm going to teach you what a snippet is and how to use one using TextPlays. Let's get started.
What is a snippet? A snippet is a template with a shortcut you can type anywhere on the web, and the template is inserted instantly. Your snippet can be anything you want. Here we're going to automate "Thank you for your feedback," but the snippet could also be your name, along with an email, or anything else you want to speed up. So here we are on the TextPlays dashboard, and we're going to create that snippet. We're first going to go to Create a New Snippet, and we're going to label it. Since we're using the example of thank you, we're going to go ahead and put thank you. And our shortcut, the most important part, TY, for thank you. Let's go ahead and insert our text we'd like, and that's it. Let's test this out. So here we are in Gmail, and all we're going to do is type that shortcut we created earlier, and that's it. Boom. The most versatile way to speed up typing on Chrome, right at your fingertips. Remember, you can use these anywhere on the web, so get started today with TextPlays.